Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show a program to calculate factorials of a list of numbers using the Java Stream API. So in this program I will take some simple input in a list. So you can see here that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So basically we know that if we need to find like a factorial of any number, so that time it will multiply by that up to till number. So if I will take like 5, so that time I will get that 120. So similarly I will get the output of this program. So factorial of 1 each 1 and 2 is 2, and similarly I will get like 5 to 120 and 6 to 720. So friend, now I'm going to write the class and I will implement the logic how we will get that number of list of numbers. So how we will get that output of that factorials. So I just open the IntelliJ idea and I just created a class here, calculate factorial, and giving the program number it's 58. And I also mention here, so in this program, so first we need to here to first I will create here main method, and then we need to find the factorial. So I need to write that one more method. So I will keep like a private static, and I will keep like a integer, so which is a return type, and then I will keep like method name like factorial. So I will keep like fact, and in this fact I will pass here that one parameter. So I will pass like n int n, and then I will just here. So in this method, so I just keep like return type as integer. So firstly we need to write here return, and then here I will use like some return statement. But here we need to find like the factorial of each digit, like factorial of any number. So I will just compare here number, if number having the 0, and then I will check here ternary operator or conditional operator. Here I will use if number is equals 0, so that time I will return here 1, and otherwise we need to find here factorial. So I will here use like n, that means number, and I will use here like a fact. So we are calling like that same calling by itself. So I will call here n, and in this method I will just pass like that numbers minus 1. So every time it will decrease the value. So I just completed this logic for finding that any number of the factorial. So now I'm going to write that for the list. So here we will go, here I will write that logic for that getting that all the numbers. So in this program, firstly we need to take that input of list. So I will use here list, and I will keep type as a integer. So I will use here integer, and I will keep reference like numbers and equals to and arrays. So I will use here arrays dot h list. So in this list we need to pass the number value, input value. So I will use here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, also having the 6 and 6. Okay. And in this program I need to import here, so I will import that list interface, and so and after getting that value, so we will get that output in the list. So I will need to create here one more list, and I will keep type as the same integer, and I will use here like a factorials. So you can see here this is the list. So and according to the question, so we need to use like Java stream API. So I will use here numbers. So numbers dot stream, and then I will use like a stream dot map. So in this map method we need to call like so we are knowing that whenever using the map, so that time we need to use like map. So here I will use like so I just created here factorial is the static method. So we need to call like the static method, we need to call like factorial class. So I will use here calculate factorials, and then I will use here uh, here this is that reference operator, and it will be called like factorial. So and then I will collect that information here, and it will convert, and then I will convert here collectors dot to list. And friend, here it will call the factorial, so it will pass the number automatically here one by one number, and then it will convert like collectors dot to list. So it means like it will convert like a stream to list again, and here we will get the result here. So now I'm going to just print here, so I will use here that system.out.println, and in this println I will print here factorials, which is a list. And friend, my program is completed. Now I'm going to run this main method. So friend, I got the result here. Thank you friend for your time and for watching this video. Explore the community tab and participate in Java full stack MCQ question with solution. Join our WhatsApp group and Telegram group for the latest update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.